In this tutorial, I am going to tell you how to install PHP, Apache and MySQL Server on Windows. For this, you will have to install WAMP server. WAMP is basically Apache, MySQL, PHP for Windows. So open google.com and type in WAMP server. Open the first link that shows up. And here click on download. You'll get the list of operating system. Since I'm using a 64-bit Windows 7 operating system, I'll be selecting this option. You will have to install Visual C++ 2010 SP1 pack. So if you are using a 64-bit operating system, you will have to select this link. Or if you are using a 32-bit operating system, then you will have to select this link. It's a very small package, around 1 MB package. So once this is done, you can click on installing the WAMP server. That is, by clicking on, you can download it directly. Your download will automatically start in 5 seconds. So once this is done, the download is complete. Since I have already downloaded the software, I am going to cancel this download. Now I am going to tell you how to install this WAMP server. This is the exe that has been downloaded. So double click on this exe, click on run. Click on yes. The installation windows for WAMP will open. So click on next, accept the agreement, and this is going to install WAMP inside C drive WAMP directory. Click on next, and if you want to create a desktop icon, select this, and once this is done, click on next and click on install. So the installation process will take at least 2 to 3 minutes. So I have already installed this software. So you will have to click on install and the installation will start. You can see that inside C drive WAMP directory, the PHP, Apache server and MySQL server has been installed. So in order to check whether the installation is successful or not, click on start and type in WAMP and click on start WAMP server. Click on yes. So the WAMP server is starting. You can see that a WAMP server icon has been added. So once this red icon turns green, it means that the server has started. You can see that the icon has turned green now. So inside this www directory, if you make any changes, like if you add a new PHP file or anything else, it is going to take PHP from this directory. So I have created a folder test inside this www and I have added one index.php. So open any of the web browser and type in localhost followed by the directory name, which is test in my case, followed by the file name. which is index.php. Click on that. You can see that whatever I have written inside index.php, it is getting displayed on the browser. So it means our Apache, this display on the browser is done by Apache. So it means that our PHP and Apache server has been installed properly. Now we have to check MySQL server. So double click on this green WAMP icon and select MySQL and click on MySQL console. Enter password. By default the password, we don't have any password, so straight away hit enter. You can see that MySQL is also working fine. So by default the username for MySQL is root and password is null. I mean you don't have any password. So I hope you are now able to understand how to install Apache, MySQL and PHP for Windows. Thank you.